Alright y'all, well here it is. This is my 2007 Honda Ruckus. It actually only has 1,500 miles on it, so that's super low mile kinda for this year at least. But let's go ahead and get her out in the yard. Woo! Woo! So I actually bought this thing a little over a year ago for like 550 bucks, and it wasn't running or anything. It needed a carb clean, and I got a whole new carburetor for it and did all that, and it was running okay for a while. It was running all right for a while, but then I let it sit for about a month or so and didn't use it. And when I went back to go ahead and try and start it up, I couldn't get it to turn over. So I took it to a guy who works on scooters because I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. So eventually he had got that fixed, and he said it was that check valve in the carb. So now it seems to be running pretty nice. I also had a little exhaust leak too. Like I was trail riding this summer at the beach, and I took this thing on a trail, and I went over, like, there's like a little bridge and it was raised a little bit, and I thought I could clear it, and I got my front wheel up on it, and right down here where the exhaust hangs down, it kind of just clipped it, and I just put a little slit in that exhaust. So I just fixed that. I just put some JB weld on it, and it's fine. It sounds exactly like it should. But it's definitely a fun little machine. I originally bought it to get to class on, and then all this junk happened and everything kind of went online, so I never really used it like I thought I would. And I actually never even got a plate for it. It's kind of riding legal right now, but I'm just staying around the neighborhood. But it's a fun little comfortable machine. It really is. It's unlike, can't compare it to a lot. It's pretty much like riding a couch down the road. It's pretty awesome. Super smooth. I dig it. And you know, if I had unlimited money, I'd probably keep it. I'd like it, you know, cruise around at the beach and everything. And if I had unlimited money, you know, I'd probably keep it. I'd love cruising around on this thing. Like I said, I don't use it as much as I thought I would, but I brought it to the beach over the summer, and it was a blast cruising around the beach, just kind of chilling on this thing. This is perfect for it. But I put it up on Craigslist and immediately got someone interested in it for the asking price. So I think he's gonna come tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. But I've had some fun on this, man. I remember when a couple months ago, we set up like a little jump in the yard with plywood, but I'm selling it tomorrow, so I'm not doing anything like that right now. Whee! I'm pretty much just checking it out, making sure everything is going to be good before he comes and buys it tomorrow. Whee! It's funny because I don't really have much use for it, but my girlfriend loves riding around on this thing. I love this sticker right here, the hauling ass sticker, NASCAR sticker. I just want to make a quick video on it before I get rid of this thing, because it's a cool it's a dope little machine, so I'm gonna miss it. Maybe I'll have another Ruckus in the future, but for now I think we're just gonna take the money and put a little bit of the money towards some KLX parts probably, and we'll see what happens. But what do y'all think? Have y'all ever had a Ruckus? Do you like the Ruckuses, or are they too slow for you? I think they're awesome for just cruising around and having a comfortable little ride around town if that's your thing. But we'll see. Maybe the deal will fall through. Maybe it will be sold tomorrow. I'll keep y'all posted. But be sure to subscribe and drop a like. I'll see y'all in the next one.